Hi folks, so we're back with the challenge. Gurudasana, what you're going to do is ideally done standing, but we want to use it for therapeutic purposes. That's extremely beneficial, very good for your hips, and it's just so soothing for your spine, very good to open up your chest and very good for your neck, and your peripheral view also improve massively with that. So without any further ado, try it on. Go on your mat, lay down, easy peasy. Okay folks, once you are on your mat, simply lay down. Spread your hands wide, let your palms press down. Make sure your hands are wide, your shoulders are relaxed. Now first, use your right leg, bend your knee, bring it towards the left side and look on your right palm. Let your palm press, let your knee and hip be relaxed, let your left leg be straight, let your heel press down as much as you can, not forcing it, just as much as you can. Breathe deep in your lower belly, and you're looking on your right hand, breathing deep. Staying here for 5 breaths. This must be 3 already. 4, 5. Exactly the same way we're doing it with our left. Your right heel is pressing down, knee relaxed, thigh relaxed. Rise up your left leg, bend your knee, and bring your left heel towards the right side. And look on your left palm and breathing deep, and try to relax your leg, try to keep your heel on the floor, try to keep your leg straight as much as you can. As you start to grow in your practice, you will find it become easier and easier. Any kind of back pain, get released with that. Your spine becomes strong, your back muscles stimulate, your shoulders stretch, your heart open, your neck become toned and look beautiful, your peripheral view increase. This must be 4 already. Last deep breath. 5. Coming back in the center, relax. So this is not even the beginning of the challenge. Now we're going to start with the challenge, the Gurudasana, while you lay down. Bend your right leg in the way that you have enough space between your heel and your hip. Use your left leg across and hold with your left toe your right ankle or at your shin muscle. As you can see, it's possible in the beginning it's not happening, that your leg is just stuck staying here. No worries, it will come at the right time as you're practicing more and more. So here you're looking on your right palm and going on your left side, breathing in and breathing out deep, staying here for count of 5 just to get the awareness, just to complete the challenge for today. And every time you're doing it on your own, you try to lengthen the time that you spend while staying in Gurudasana, lying down, breathing deep. That must be 3 already. 4. Notice if your knee or your hip or your pelvic or your shoulders holding any tension. Just consciously drop and relax. 4, 5. Inhale, come back in the center. Same, going now, opposite side. Oh my God, that feels great. Oh, that is amazing. You're doing yourself this massage, you're doing yourself this favor. Enjoy it. Breathe deep. 2, deep belly breath. 3, 4, 5. Coming back in the center. Exhale and let go. Unlock your left leg. Exhale. Now, using your right leg, going across, and then trying to cross it and bring it across. It will happen to you. I promise you, when you're consistent, doing it a few times, your hip will open up, your knee will get the flexibility, your ankle as well, and you will be able to hold and tuck with your leg, with the other, like how you're joining two wires together. Okay, same fashion. You're looking now on the left arm and dropping the knees on the right side. Breathing deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Now, dropping the knees on the left, looking on the right palm, press your palms down. That feels incredible. 1, 2, 3. Breathing deep down to your pelvic space. Notice this beautiful awareness and relaxed awareness at your hip. 4. Challenging but healing, and that feels so sweet. 4, 5. Come back in the center, unlock, and straighten your legs, open your palms wide. For the last minute, you reward yourself with a nice shavasana. Completely let go. And before you're going to sleep, know that you can always write in the comment section, and you can also share this challenge with your friends and family so they can benefit, because they're going to come back to you and thank you for that. Until then, take care, repeat, get better until it becomes your second nature. Total effortlessness should come. Then you know that you have completed the challenge.